see how beautiful that is? I just wanted to make this quick video to remind you, if you want to live abroad, get clear and quiet on what it is that you want. You might be tired of the political environment where you're at, and that touches a lot of things like education, entertainment, your health, business for sure, and on and on. Or it might be somehow more segmented, the things that you're not happy with in your home country. Whatever it is, get someplace quiet like this. It could be on your rooftop, it could be at the park, at the ocean, the pond, a dog park, a library, wherever. Just get someplace quiet and get clear on what it is that you want. Like, research yourself. You know, we say, I know my eyes might look I look weird because is that golden hour, as you saw right there. Yeah, so it's sunset right now, so you know that golden hour make the melanin glow. But yeah, just take your time to take your time. The main thing might even be getting out of the rat race so that you can have moments of solitude like this. You know, back in the West, I'm from America, if you're new here, and depending on your quality of life, well, you know, if you want to move abroad, then I'm talking directly to you. And getting off the hamster wheel, off the rat wheel, might be one of the main reasons that you want to go see the world and live someplace different, because your current environment is oppressive in your business, in your circumstances, in your responsibilities, and it's like they keep you busy. It's almost like they're trying to keep you from taking the time to journal, to be quiet, to talk to your close social circle, to, you know, discuss like what are the things that you care about, starting a business, pivoting in your career, meeting new people, learning a language, being out in nature, trying exotic to you, food, and being around different kinds of people who at the same time couldn't be more like you in an interesting way. We hear from people in our comments or in emails and things, and they say things like, you know, I don't know where to go. I don't know what I would do if I would live abroad or something. You know, people, you know, my age, people older. And part of the reason that you don't know is because you haven't gotten quiet. A lot of things I'm learning, there's so much more for me to learn. A lot of things I'm learning is it's the simple things that life is built on. The simple things, the little things. You know, understanding a language. You know, they're speaking Swahili behind me if you can hear some of that. Learning the language is built on the little things, knowing how their vowel sounds work. You know, the letter A is not a long A as we say in English or the West. It's ah. You know, like, I have an idea. I want to leave the United States. I want to leave the West, you know, aha, you know. But if you don't know that that's how the letter A sounds in Swahili, you may have trouble communicating with people because you're going to start pronouncing things the wrong way relative to them. This is not about Swahili. This is just about taking the time to be quiet, not being afraid of not knowing. You may not know what you want to do even when you sit down quiet for a really long time like this, for days, weeks on end. You still might not know what it is that you want to do. You just need to get started quiet, and eventually it'll come to you, and you'll start to get really, really clear, and then the real fun begins. So if you made it to the end of this, I want to say thank you. At the time of recording this, Awaken with Mark is putting on our third Epic Move Abroad virtual workshop. That's October 4th and 6th. So check out the information for the scheduling, the materials, and even more valuable information if this is a good fit for you to get planning on your trip abroad, on your life abroad. Check out the link in the description and the pinned comments, and we hope to see you there. Be blessed.
Informative.
Reassuring.
Transformative.
Exciting.
Thorough.
Informative.
Great experience.
Enlightening.
I bought this as a gift to myself for my birthday, and I'm happy that I did. It's been very comprehensive, encouraging, as Carla said. A lot of information, a lot to do, and I'm pretty excited about it. So thanks so much.
For me, it was very motivating. It really got me to thinking, and it enlightened me on a lot of different areas that I really hadn't thought about. So for me, I'm ready. I'm excited.
Did a great job. Covered everything. It's a lot to absorb. And I think you covered everything. So it's just a matter of really just getting your system and your plan together. That's all for me. Thanks for everything, y'all. Bradley's did a good job.
Thank you for planning out this workshop. It's been great and extremely informative. So thank you.
There's a lot here. Be encouraged, small bites, so that you're not overwhelmed. Be encouraged.
I feel that it was a very enlightening class. I've learned a lot of information and a lot of things that I hadn't even thought of thinking of. So this definitely was a good tool for me.
All right.
And, I know how I have a little action plan going on here. And I know how I'm going to move forward. And thank God for this class, because prior to coming in, I was kind of all over, didn't really know where to start or, the things that I really should focus on.
I think the workshop was very helpful. All the information about banking and about shipping